Hi, I'm Rachel McAdams, and I read Anne of Green Gables by Lucy Maud Montgomery for Audible.com. It's one of the most exciting things I've ever been asked to do in my whole career. It's just a very transporting book, I think. It takes you back to a time when things were simpler, and I think we all fantasize about that time, even though we don't live in it anymore. I wanted to be Anne as a little girl, and I think a lot of girls who read this book do. She's a really strong female character, but not kind of in a typical way. You know, she walks the beat of her own drum, but she also really cares about her looks. She's kind of got this dichotomy that's interesting and unexpected.
Everything was lovely. We had a splendid tea, and then Mr. Harmon Andrews took us all for a row on the Lake of Shining Waters, 6 of us at a time. And Jane Andrews nearly fell overboard. She was leaning out to pick water lilies, and if Mr. Andrews hadn't caught her by her sash just in the nick of time, she'd fallen in and probably been drowned. I wish it had been me. It would have been such a romantic experience to have been nearly drowned.
I thought that I would get tired a lot faster than I did, but I think when you're reading something you love so much, if you're connecting to it emotionally, which I feel like I did with this text, you know, the emotional connection always has to be there first and the rest will follow. You know, you just can't help but smile when you read this book and kind of laugh out loud and cry out loud, and I think, you know, it brings up a lot of emotion and delight, and then on top of that there's this, you know, beautiful backdrop of the Maritimes, of Prince Edward Island, and I think Lucy Maud Montgomery really captures that in the book. It really is one of my most beloved books, and loving the book so much growing up just felt very serendipitous to have it come across my path.